If you are a business owner and you are interested in generating leads and you are not doing this in your TikTok DM, then you are leaving a lot of leads to your competitors. Hey, let me get real with you with yet another digital marketing updates for your TikTok app. So I am all about tech and automations as a digital marketer and coach, right? And especially in the network marketing business space. So long time ago, I was exposed in my digital marketing learning journey, right? Beginning as far back as 2020, I was introduced, right, through my Facebook, right? I started off with Facebook, right, before I, arrived and became a big user of a TikTok in growing my personal branding. I'm exposed to this thing about chatbots, automated, right, chat interactions to my leads, right? And so right now, TikTok has introduced, right, for business owners, right, for people that is having at least 600 followers in their TikTok account, opening up these business features for us to set up virtual assistant, or another way to understand it, meaning chatbots, automated, right, DM responses to your potential customers, to your leads when they landed in your DM. And they also catch on to the trend of having AI, AI powered DMs. So have you set that up yet as a business owner? And you are just like me, interested in generating leads from the social media. And when finally this business features is open up, right, and I was notified in my inbox one fine day, which was not too long ago, right, and with my experience, my vast experience in this another platform called ManyChat, right, ManyChat, it's a kind of a more established and very popular among the famous digital marketers around the world, and it is also AI powered now, right? With that vast experience using that platform, I am rather excited when TikTok introduced their own in-app AI powered virtual assistant. So with that kind of integration, right, and the knowledge database which I had been, right, active in my own DM before these business features is introduced, right? So with that vast knowledge database, right, it was quickly being imported when I started setting it up. And the result, right, the benefit as a business owner in the network marketing space, right, it is pretty consistent in helping me to generate good leads, right, good leads for my network marketing business. And comparing it with those days when I am doing manual way of DMing, right, in my TikTok DM, right, it is in fact very time consuming, and I wasn't very consistent about it, right? And most of the time, right, um, I am actually quite forgetful, right? So because of the inconsistency in interacting when somebody landed in my DM in on my TikTok, right, on my TikTok app, right, so I wasn't, able to generate good leads, throughout, right? It was very inconsistent. So however, now with my AI powered virtual assistant on the TikTok DM, generating leads in an automated way became a breeze. Okay, the virtual assistant, with my, of course, the first condition is to feed it, right? Is to teach it with my knowledge database. We call it, right? That's a technical term when you are actually setting up your any AI powered platform, right? The AI requires you to feed it, right? And feeding it means the knowledge database to understand the nature of your business, the nature of your services that you are providing, right? And what are the objectives you are trying to achieve with the interaction with your potential customers, with your leads. So with all that, right? With all that objectives, the directions properly given, which we call it a prompt, right? Which is called a system prompt, right? The AI will learn and interact intelligently for us on our behalf, leading up, right? Okay, very close, consistent follow up, very standardized, right? No dropping off, very standardized. So long as we feed it with the right knowledge database that we wanted, it will eventually help us to generate the leads that we wanted. And of course, when we talk about the leads, right, what we are having will be eventually having the contact information of our leads, right? Minimally will be the name, the emails, and you can even, right, set up your AI powered uh, virtual assistant on your TikTok DM, right, to get it to generate contact information, even the contact number, like WhatsApp number. you can do that too. However, I set it up my AI powered DM. The priority is to at least get an email from the leads. So giving you the update, right? It is pretty successful as compared to my own manual way to follow up the any leads that landed in my DM. The AI powered TikTok in-app AI powered right virtual assistant. It is more efficient than me, right? Without my intervention at all, right? 99% it will generate the leads for me, and it will be saved in the native TikTok leads database. So I will receive timely notifications on my TikTok app when the leads when leads are successfully generated. That means having the contact information of my potential customers, right? So if you have yet, right, to, to be made known about this powerful business feature as a business owner, right? So let this video of mine give you this update that you can go and check it out and set it up. Now, of course, if you are not as tech savvy, right, and you know that is not your strength, okay, I welcome you. May I invite you to reach out to me if you are watching this video until now? You can drop me a DM. I can assist you, right, in helping you at least to know how to write the prompt, right, to set up your AI powered in TikTok in app virtual assistant. Okay, I hope this video was helpful. And if you need further